I don't know if you can hear it or not. My Jeep's making a weird noise. Sounds like it's trying to connect, like, contact alien life forms or something. Radio's off. It's not the radio. See, we're just idling. Everything seems to be normal. Except for this weird whistling noise.